Hi guys, welcome back to Cook and Dine. I'm your host Mungaro. If you missed the first bit, pole sana, but I'm a kind person. I got you covered. Enda pale YouTube channel inajiita Lolwe Tv Kenya. Lazima uweke Kenya hapo mwisho ndio upate the right channel. So go there, hit the notification button and say all. Say all, because believe me, there are many other shows you're going to enjoy right here. Hapa kwenye kuna home of entertainment, Lolwe TV. So guys, we had made the chicken. Inaendelea kujipika. So earlier we were making the meat. We did many things. Please go there and utapata the whole episode. I cannot explain it again. Please allow me to skip that bit. But nitaonyesha how to cut our plantain. So someone was asking me, what is plantain? Plantain are like bananas. It's a type of banana, but now isi ile ya kupika. Kenyans, we have the one that tunapika ile ya green. I think there are also other purple ones, but this one it looks exactly like a banana. It tastes like banana, but it has to be cooked, guys, in a jita plantain. So normally how you cut it, kwa sababu ukipeel the normal way, it's gonna give you a little bit of issues. Na mimi nimedecide leo nitengeneze na zile zenye zimeiva sana. I'm gonna turn on my pan because we're going to use a little bit of mafuta, not little but enough to deep fry them nicely. So because mine zimeiva vizuri, I can do this. You might find other ones which are not fully ready. Either way, that they taste the same and all. Tutatoa hizi nyuzi zote. So the other ones I had already prepared. I just wanted to show you how I've prepared my plantain. So yeah, kwa sababu imeiva, it's very easy for me to slice it. I've decided to slice it hivi. So pieces zangu zitakuwa hii shape. And voila, there is our plantain. So earlier, guys, I told you I had prepared my other plantain bananas. I'm gonna put this here, and then my mafuta is getting ready, and I think I'm gonna switch. So allow me to switch right now. I'll put hii hapa kando ikiendelea kuiva. Then hapa tutaweka mafuta yetu. The pan is very hot, so I'm going to reduce the motor. I think that's enough. And yeah, guys, guess what? Mafuta yetu yanaendelea kuiva. Yanaendelea kushika moto, sorry. So we're going to put a little bit of salt here. And of course, we didn't put any salt in our nyama. So just sprinkle a little bit of salt. And then chumvi kiasi, just for taste, into our plantain. And I'm just going to work that out like that. Very nice. Tutaongeza kamoto kidogo. And then, because I'm really scared of burning myself, I'm going to use this spatula, and just arrange them ndo nisijichome. Na kwa sababu our plantain zimeiva sana, it's going to take lesser time kuiva na moto. So yeah. So there we go. As that is frying up, we're gonna go back to our meat. And we're gonna just turn it kidogo too. Whew, look at that, guys. Wow. I can't wait to taste this food. I cannot wait to taste it. So we're just gonna koroga it just a little bit gently because tutaki hasara yoyote. So like that, continue simmering as we do our thing on the plantain. So at this point, you don't want to touch them, because if you keep on disturbing them, another thing is zitakuwa too what's the word? Zitalegea. Na tutaki plantain zetu zilegee sana. So it's definitely time to turn our plantain. So just turn them. Some of them are ready, some are not. So zile tunaona ziko tayari kiasi, tutaziturn. Remember, your work area has to be clean. Just make sure like you're working on a clean area, because we're making meat, hatutaki cross termination. No. And that one was almost burning. What? So pole pole tu na zote zinaiva. Wow, guys, if you're planning not to try this recipe, think again. Think again. So zile zimeiva, don't be shy, just remove them. Wow. You're sure you don't try this recipe? Ebu tell me. Ebu enda pale Facebook and just holler at me. Wow. So we're gonna do the other bunch. As I've told you guys, I'm really scared of burning my hands, so this is the best way I can. Looking very, very nice. Remember, because they've been ready for like a long time, so it's gonna take very less time for you to cook up your plantain. So while that is continuing not flying, hey, frying, I'm gonna serve actually. Yeah, I'm gonna serve. So we're gonna serve right now. Fortunately, it's even started sticking, but it's fine. Oof. Mayo. I mean, if you don't love meat like me, pole me sijui. What do you like, by the way? Because if you're missing, you're truly missing. So we're gonna turn it off actually. And then as that continues cooking, you're gonna have a plantain. So you can serve this with ugali. You can serve it with rice. And voila. Mbona usikule ushibe? Tunaweka kila kitu hapa. So yeah guys. And there you go. We have a nicely pan fried with a little bit of vegetable meat and deep fried plantain. Yep. So I hope you guys try it and you actually have fun while cooking, because I had so much fun. And thank you so much for joining me. As I had said earlier at the beginning of the show, many guys were really requesting to join the show. So what you're gonna do, you can go on our Instagram account. Kindly go to Instagram, send us a very short clip of telling us why you like the show, how long you've been watching the show, and your favorite recipe. And then you forward us your own recipe, and utakuwa next hapa. We'll come and have fun, we chill, and we have good food, good vibes, and of course good conversation. So nikianza story mingi si mnajua tu, nataka kuonja. It is time. Even the clouds are celebrating. There's a plane passing by. Ay. Oh. Ay. I'm in love. I'm in love, guys. This is so nice. You have to try. Na sichomeki. Sichomeki. Kuna watu wanasema amechomeka. Sichomeki. It's very tasty. Everything is it's well blended. The sauce, the salt. I put the salt at the end. Reason is because when you put salt right at the beginning when you're making meat, it makes, if your meat is very tender and nice. Yeah, so that's why I put the salt right at the end. But guys, make sure you try this recipe. Please, 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 and please go subscribe on our YouTube channel. Women need the same all the time. Make sure you just try it. Make sure you try and try and try, and please make sure you try. Until next time, guys, this has been Cook and Dine. I'm waiting for your clips. Until next Saturday, peace out and good cooking time. Hi guys, and welcome to today's show. This is Cook and Dine. I'm your host Namungaro. Karibuni sana. How was last week? It was motor fire. So today is gonna be even hotter. It's gonna be more a lot of frying, a lot of fun, and a lot of chatting, and of course a lot of conversation here at Cook and Dine, right here on Lolwe TV. Karibuni sana. As I've said, my name is Namungaro. Karibuni. Straight into the recipe. Yes, last week I had promised you guys that one of our camera persons was gonna be the one to make for us omena, lakini ameshika out. Unajua wanaume na kupika. I don't blame him. It's camera, so whoever is willing to come and join me, kindly just let me know. Enda pale YouTube channel, tuma a picture of yourself talking and telling us what you're gonna make and how fun you love the show, and definitely might be the next person who's gonna be cooking with us. So straight on, today we're making fried meat with our plantain. So I got the very ripe plantain. So we have plantain. We have our main ingredient, nyama. Of course, this is beef. This is 1 kg. We have three onions, 2 bell peppers. The yellow one. Sorry. Yes, either way. Hohoya white, yeah, yellow, na hohoya green. Of course, our oil and our I love tomato paste. So that's what I'm gonna use today. So I'm gonna turn on my pan. Because my pan is a bit light, I'm gonna just put this on the side. I'm gonna work on the onions. So today we are just doing this. This is one of the onions that had remained the other time when I was cooking. So no wastage. Napika tu na hiyo because hapo imefika mwisho. but mwisho si kilele, of course. Yeah, just gonna work on this, our onions. Tunachapa hapo katikati, and we just work on it piece by piece. Kata vibaya hapa, it's a bit nono. Just gonna reduce it just a bit. There we go. Because I still want stripes, onion stripes. So guys, we're gonna fry the we're gonna fry the meat. Napenda mafuta lakini saa hii nitaweka tu kiasi. Hata hiyo imepita kiasi. But nimeweka kiasi compared to my normal measurings. Lazima to build mashavu bana. Lazima tuongeze weight. Oops. There we go. I'm gonna add the moto just a bit. Just gonna drop this down. Reduce the fire just a bit. I want to prepare my, so just move back just a little bit so you don't burn yourself, my people. Remember, size yenye utakata ya onions, whatever else you're gonna cut, it has to be the same size. It has to be the same size. So tutafry hizo as I continue cutting my bell peppers. So there we go. I hope you can see how our onions are doing and all. Na tunatumia mwiko leo. I want a lot of bell pepper in my nyama, so just continue adding and adding till I feel that's enough, but I feel like this is already enough. So we're making them a bit bigger chunks, size kubwa kubwa kidogo. Remember, patience, guys. You have to be very patient. Normally kwa sababu nataka kuonyesha how I'm cutting and all that, I'm literally doing everything on the show. But when you're at home, you can cut all your ingredients, zote uzikatekate vizuri. Then now, excuse me. And then now ukianza kupika, you're just concentrating kwa moto and all. So yeah. Mimi nilikuwa nataka a lot of bell pepper. Sorry, our hohos and our onions are looking very nice. I'm gonna do the meat right now. Mi hupenda nyama. So there we go. Sasa hapa tutaendelea kuiturn until ikuwe tayari. Basi. So guys, as you can see, it continues cooking. Nitachukua our tomato paste and just drop it there. No? Ninairusha hapo ndani. Very little, because I just want it for color mainly. You can use, if you are planning to use fresh tomatoes, you have to fry them. So instead of you putting the nyama, unaweka tomato paste, ina fry vizuri, alafu unaweka nyama. Afterwards, alafu, the cooking continues. I decided to do this way because I wanted my meat to fry up just a bit. And literally my meat is almost ready. So I'm just gonna keep on turning this until my whole nyama imepata rangi ya tomato paste. You can use food color. I don't usually use food color in meat. Either way. You can use turmeric if you want it to be more colorful than this. Sasa unaona nyama yetu inaendelea kuiva. Looking very nice. I will drop our two types of hohos. So hoho hii ya green na hii ya yellow. So hoho zote zinaingia ndani saa hii. Then I'm just gonna make sure hiyo juice yote imekuwa hapo. Then I'm gonna just add a little bit of water into our meat. Very little, because kumbuka nyama ilikuwa ina fry the whole time and it's almost ready. Hii nini imeshika nyuma. But either way, it's fine. So I'm just gonna clean up this whole place. So I'm just gonna clean up this whole place as we go on a very short break. Remember, you have to follow us. You must follow us. If you haven't followed us, I don't know what you're waiting for, because this is the great time to go get your phone and actually get into our social media platforms now to follow or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Obviously, our YouTube channel is called Lolwe TV Kenya. You have to put Kenya at the end to get the right channel. Also, you can follow us by Facebook at Lolwe TV, Instagram at Lolwe TV, and Twitter at Lolwe TV. Keep it locked, guys, because more magical things are gonna happen. When we come back, we're gonna do our plantains. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna cut them. And also keep it tuned. This is Lolwe TV.